Sir Mark. Thank you for taking this time to meet me today. And I'm leading the interview, and we're looking forward to learning more about facilitating events.
Okay.
So here are some of my questions about you as a staff in an actual event. So number one, can you tell me about your experience working in event setup and breakdown?
Okay. So, first, I want to say thank you also for giving me this opportunity to share what's my experience beyond what's my profession. So, about my experience, okay lang Taglish, no? Nadagoin tayo dito. Or English.
Okay lang, kahit ano.
Okay lang. Taglish, English.
Okay lang.
Right. So, working in events, sometimes it's kind of fun kasi you're meeting uh, other people, like you're socializing to other kind of people, and that's all, I think.
And have you ever encountered a difficult or demanding attendee at an event? Yung akala mo well, siguro nagpapa-event naman talaga sila. Dapat prioritize natin sila. Pero, paano mo na-handle yung ganong sitwasyon?
Siyempre, nag-ano kami, ina-analyze na namin kung ano yung pangangailangan din ng guest. Una, syempre kung ano yung gusto nila unang nangyari. Hindi naman sila magde-demand if ever kung may gusto silang satisfaction dun sa service na gusto nila makuha. So, una, kailangan alamin muna kung ano yung gusto nilang set up or what. Then, saka mag-meet halfway siguro. Ganun.
Okay. Then the third one is sometimes, di ba kapag magpapa-event tayo, hindi talaga nawawala yung mga challenges during the event. So, how can you adapt quickly to those unexpected challenges?
How to adapt? Madalas talaga nagkakaroon ng mga biglaang challenges katulad ng technical issues. Unang-una, siyempre yung sa sound system. Diba, minsan di naman talaga natin naasahan yung mga ganun. So, siyempre, dapat may backup ka. Like, for example na lang sa sound system natin. So, dapat hindi lang isa or dalawa yung mic na gamit mo or yung speaker. And also, dapat bago mag-start yung event, nagkakaroon kayo ng runs before ng event para makita mo kung ano yung possible na magiging challenge ng dalawa.
Yes, tama nga naman yung mga. And lastly, why are you interested in working in the event industry? Kasi nakikita ko kung paano ka mag-host tapos sa mga events. So, talagang enjoy na enjoy ka. So, ano yung mga interesting na bagay kaya gustong-gusto mo yung mga ganun?
Alam mo kung bakit ito personal na pa. Alam mo bakit parang gustong-gusto kong gustong-gusto ko nag-host at gustong-gusto ko yung nasa events. Feeling ko kasi gandang-ganda sa akin yung mga tao. Hindi. And actually, feeling ko para akong artista pag nag-host ako. Siyempre lahat sila nakatingin sa akin. And based on, at saka gustong-gusto ko na nakakasaya ako ng tao.
And sana, makapasa rin ako sa ganyan. Soon. And thanks again for having me today. I hope we enjoyed talking each other, learning about those positions, and I'm so excited about the opportunity and confident that my skill and attitude would fit soon. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Miss Laika. Bye-bye.
Bye.